How to fix Canva not downloading. Now, if you are currently using a Google Chrome browser, I can provide you troubleshooting steps. You can also try to download Canva on a different web browser. Now, if you're using Chrome and the file is not allowing you to download Canva, what you need to go ahead and check first is you need to make sure that your browser or your Google Chrome browser is up to date. To do that, just simply click the three dots and then go ahead and click Help and then click About Google Chrome. So you'll be able to see if your Chrome is up to date because there is no option for you to update it. If this is not currently updated, then there will be an option for you to click here to update your Chrome browser. Now, there are some instances that the download link you're trying to access might be dangerous, but you can also try to turn off your safe browsing setting. Now, try this method at your own risk. If you are or if you already have the download link, you can try this method. Just simply go to privacy and security and then go ahead to security. Now, you can turn the protection off before you download Canva. This is case-to-case basis situation. If you already downloaded Canva and everything is fixed, please do not forget to turn this on again by clicking on Standard Protection. Now those are the two troubleshooting steps that you can do to fix Canva not downloading.